What is going on, people? Welcome to the channel. It's your boy Biggs, AFB&B Media, a few bits and bobs and a few pieces. We got the Northface, Forest Gillet. We got the Veja vegan sneaks, product review. Stay tuned in. We're going to get close up and personal. You already know the vibe. Let's go. So here we got the men's Denali Gillet at £115, but your boy got that discount. Go check them out. The Northface, £57.50, 50% off. TNF black kelp, tan forest floor print. As you can see, we got the Northface embroidered in white on the left shoulder. We got the tan forest floor print on the chest. We got the fleece, black fleece on the collars, on the front 2 pockets, and on the back area. We got pockets galore. We got pockets on the front chest. We got pockets near the waist. This is traditionally an autumn winter classic, but of course you can rock it anywhere, anytime. You can dress it down with a t-shirt if it's hot but kind of windy. Then you can dress it if it's, crazy cold, wear it underneath a North Face puffer jacket or whatever you got, or a hoodie underneath. It's all good, man. It's nice and light. You know what I'm saying? You can bust your little skanks and all of that good stuff. Getting a bit excited there. Yeah, man, this one's a definite cop. As you can see, man, the TNF black kelp tan forest floor print, the Northface Gillet. Go check that out. Links below. So let's get into the vegan sneakers. Nice and classical. These are nice and classical. Got these from Office, $79.99. Relatively affordable. Classical, man. You got the black canvas on the outer shoe, on the heel and on the inner side. Then you've got the signature V in cream matching with the sole. Then you got the toe cap area in cream as well. You got the laces in the same cream colorway. You got the signature on the tongue and the signature in V on the inner side. And then on the sole, it's got like a rigid, like the rubber's like rigid for that extra grip. Can't get caught slipping out here, you know what I'm saying? These are nice, man. I'm seeing a lot of people rocking these more and more. Like more and more as time goes on. People are rocking these heavy in the streets. I'm seeing them. I've seen a few different colorways. Red on black. I've seen white. You know what I'm saying? These are a company. This is from a company in Brazil. So 2 guys, I think it's 2 farmers. They founded the company in 2004. And they've been doing their thing ever since, man. Definitely 10 out of 10 for comfort, durability. Definitely a nice wear. You can walk for miles in these. You would not be complaining. You got the metal rings around the lace hole area. Stitching very nice and neat. No loose stitching hanging and all that good stuff. You got the pull tab on the heel area. Like I said, man, classical. Can't go wrong. Cannot go wrong. The links will be down below if you want to cop a pair or if you want to just go and check them out on Office. As you can see, man, durable. Yeah, man, the Veja. Veja, Veja, if I'm not saying that right, comment below. But it is what it is, man. They're popping anyway. They're a size 8. So yeah, man, that's the Veja sneaks. If you like the vid, you got this far, man, hit that like, hit that subscribe if you're on YouTube, hit that follow if you're on Instagram, hit that bell so you get notifications. I got more vids coming. There's more vids. Go and click through the playlist, etc. It's your boy Biggs, and that's a wrap.